So this is where this is part of the electric generation plant, I suppose, which they fought against. This was this rock over here. That signifies where the lake was proposed to go by the hydroelectric scheme. And 1959 to 1972, the catch cry of "Save Manapori" was used. And this is exactly where it would have been, but look what they've saved. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright, so we're going to go a little bit of caving here. See where it goes. Limestone caving. Well, it's got markers where you go anyway, so you can't get lost. But you'd want to come back with better light, that's for sure. How you going, Ed? Pretty tight in there, isn't it? You certainly get this feeling of claustrophobia, don't you? Fuck, you're going to go to 45 minutes in here, you want to have all the lights. No wonder they say 45 minutes of lighting, or 2 sources of light. Per person, look at this. It's amazing.
South.